Imagine a car that doesn't just follow your commands but makes its own. It thinks, it perceives, it decides. For years, we treated self driving cars as a ghost story of futuristic myth whispered by tech giants and sci fi writers. But the ghosts have stepped into the light. They are coming, they are already here. The transition from maybe one day to right now wasn't an accident, it was engineered. Deep inside the machine lies the brain, artificial intelligence. This isn't just a pre programmed GPS path. It is real-time decision-making. The car sees the world through a digital nervous system of cameras, lidar, and radar. It identifies every pedestrian, every pothole, every swerve. But how does it learn to navigate the chaos of human behavior? To find out, engineers built a world that doesn't exist, the simulation revolution. This is where the AI practices for life. It survives thousands of crashes in a virtual world so that you never have to experience one in reality. This isn't just about the car's mind. It's about its body and how it is born. The entire automotive ecosystem is being rewritten by AI-driven manufacturing. Every weld, every bolt, and every sensor is placed with a precision no human hand can match. But as we surrender the wheel, we face a chilling question. If the car makes a mistake, who is responsible? This is the conflict, the ethics of the algorithm. When an unavoidable accident occurs, how does the AI prioritize who lives and who dies? The developers are currently locked in a silent war over these ethical guardrails. They must bake morality into the code before the cars hit the streets in mass numbers. Then there is the shadow of privacy. To be safe, these cars must see everything. They record every street, every face, and every movement. But in an era of mass surveillance, where does the public's right to privacy end? The trade-off is stark: total safety versus total privacy. And then there is the ghost in the machine's cybersecurity. If a car is connected to the cloud, it can be hijacked. A remote intruder could turn a vehicle into a weapon. The stakes have never been higher. The hacking of a car isn't just a crime, it's a catastrophe. To combat this, developers are creating ironclad layers of encryption for the AI's decision-making core. We are currently in the Great Transition. The era of simple navigation is ending. The era of complex environmental understanding is beginning. The car doesn't just know where the road is, it understands what the road means. It recognizes the hesitation of a child near the curb. It senses the aggression of a merging truck. The manufacturing is getting smarter and the software is getting deeper. We are moving toward an ecosystem where cars aren't just machines, they are intelligent nodes in a global network. The question isn't whether these cars will eventually replace our own driving. The question is how quickly we are willing to let go of the wheel. We have traded our control for their precision. We have traded our autonomy for their safety. The cars are awake, they are watching, they are learning, and soon they won't need us to tell them where to go. The road is waiting. The question remains, who will be behind the wheel?